Welcome, dear listeners. I'm Shruti, your enchanted storyteller, ready to whisk you away into the heart of Maharashtra's legendary past. Today, we embark on an epic journey with the prologue, the dawn of a resplendent era. In the annals of Maharashtra's storied past, a singular and unparalleled epoch began to unfold, shrouded initially in the veil of commonplace occurrences. The great land of Maharashtra had succumbed to the dominion of foreign powers, its ancient splendor eclipsed by the inexorable waves of conquest. This noble territory, cradle of saints and warriors, now languished under the iron heel of alien overlords, the Adil Shahi, Nizam Shahi, and Mughal empires that had partitioned its realms like victors dividing spoils. The populace, bereft of liberty, endured in trepidation and servitude, their shrines profaned, their traditions ridiculed, and their essence subdued. It was an age when the torch of autonomy appeared quenched, and the pall of subjugation blanketed the Deccan highlands. Yet within this obscurity, a celestial light kindled. Upon the formidable bastion of Shivneri, proximate to Junar, in the Shaka year 1550, corresponding to 1627 AD by the Gregorian reckoning, Jijabai, the pious consort of Shahaji Raje Bhosale, bore a son fated to alter the course of destiny. Christened Shivaji in honor of the deity Shive, he entered a world rife with discord, where his sire, a gallant commander under the Nizam Shahi, battled to uphold the vestiges of Maratha honor. Shahaji, scion of the esteemed Bhosale dynasty, descending from the Yadavas, had inherited a heritage of defiance against despotism, imparting to his progeny the tenets of bravery, tactics, and fidelity to righteousness. From infancy, Shivaji was reared by Jijabai's steadfast piety and recitals of legendary sagas from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. She instilled in him the aspiration for Hindavi Swarajya, a sovereign Hindu dominion liberated from extraneous fetters, wherein equity would reign and the ordinary folk might dwell in esteem. The marvel domain, with its craggy landscapes and resilient inhabitants, served as his playground and crucible. There, he cultivated alliances with devoted allies such as Tanaji Malusare, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, and Netaji Palka, who would later form the bedrock of his vision for self-rule. These marvels, tillers and herders by vocation, metamorphosed into indomitable combatants under his aegis, excelling in asymmetrical warfare that capitalized on the Sahyadri's innate redoubts. As Shivaji matured, he beheld the barbarities inflicted by the intruders, compelled apostasy, burdensome levies, and ruination of hallowed precincts. At the tender age of 12, he pledged at the Raireshwar shrine, alongside his comrades, to erect Swarajya. This solemn commitment heralded the inception of his insurgent odyssey. By 16, he seized his inaugural citadel, Torna, employing guile and audacity over brute might. This feat proclaimed the advent of a nascent potency in the Deccan, defying the supremacy of Bijapur and Delhi. The geopolitical arena brimmed with machinations. The Adil Shah of Bijapur, the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, and the burgeoning Mughal imperium under Shah Jahan contended for hegemony, frequently pitting Maratha nobles against one another. Shahaji maneuvered these perilous currents, alternating loyalties for endurance, while covertly nurturing the ideal of autonomy. Shivaji, schooled by his father's ordeals, cultivated acumen in diplomacy and belligerence. He erected an espionage lattice, reinforced pivotal enclaves like Rajgarh and Pratapgarh, and marshaled his legions into a regimented host. His nascent forays exemplified tactical mastery. He pillaged adversarial domains, appropriated provisions, and eluded superior hosts via expeditious maneuvers. The slaying of Afzal Khan, the Bijapur envoy, dispatched to apprehend him, at Pratapgarh in 1659 proved a watershed. Through ruse and intrepidity, Shivaji inverted the fortunes, delivering a reverberant strike that resounded nationwide. This conquest not only entrenched his stature, but galvanized the Maratha masses to envisage emancipation. Shivaji's foresight transcended mere subjugation. He championed bureaucratic overhauls, advancing Marathi and Sanskrit in statecraft, coining currency bearing his insignia, and inaugurating a fleet to shield the littorals from Portuguese and city perils. He venerated all creeds, shielded females and agrarians, and guaranteed redress for the frail. His investiture at Raigad in 1674 as Chhatrapati, the bearer of the regal canopy, legitimized his Hindu monarchy, resuscitating archaic rights in a contemporaneous milieu. Thus, in a period of despondency, Shivaji Maharaj arose as the progenitor of Swarajya, a luminary of aspiration whose heritage of prowess, sagacity, and probity perpetually guides the voyage of generations. This chronicle pays homage to that perpetual blaze, a narrative of oblation, stratagem, and steadfast allegiance to one's patrimony. Now, let's delve deeper into the Bhosale lineage. Roots of valor. The Bhosale clan, illustrious progenitors of Shivaji, trace their origins to the resplendent Yadava dynasty of Devagiri, rulers who once commanded vast swathes of the Deccan with equity and might. From this noble stock emerged a lineage of warriors, unyielding in the face of adversity, who navigated the tempests of medieval India with cunning and courage. Shahaji Raje Bhosale, Shivaji's father, embodied this heritage. Born into a family of Jagirdars serving the Deccan sultanates, Shahaji rose through the ranks as a commander of renown, his exploits in battles against the Mughals and Bijapur earning him lands in Pune and Supa. Yet, his heart yearned for greater autonomy, often placing him at odds with his overlords. Married to Jijabai, daughter of Lakhuji Jadhavrao, a formidable Maratha noble, Shahaji's union was both a strategic alliance and a bond of profound affection. Jijabai, with her indomitable spirit and devotion to Bhavani, became the moral compass for their son, while Shahaji imparted the arts of war and statecraft. In the turbulent courts of Ahmednagar and Bijapur, Shahaji's career was a saga of loyalty tested and triumphs hard won. He quelled rebellions, defended frontiers, and even faced imprisonment for his perceived ambitions. Through it all, he envisioned a Maratha resurgence, laying the groundwork for Shivaji's revolutionary path. The Bhosales, with their Sisodia Rajput blood from Mewar, carried the legacy of Rana Pratap's defiance, infusing Shivaji with a sense of divine right to reclaim Hindu sovereignty. And now, early influences, the forging of a visionary. Shivaji's formative years were shaped by the confluence of familiar legacy, spiritual guidance, and the harsh realities of the Marwal Hills. Under Jijabai's tutelage, he absorbed the essence of Dharma, righteousness as the foundation of rule. Stories of epic heroes fueled his imagination, transforming a spirited youth into a leader destined for greatness. Dadaji Kondev, Shahaji's trusted lieutenant and de facto guardian during his absences, managed the Pune Jagir with integrity, teaching Shivaji the intricacies of administration, revenue collection, justice dispensation, and fort maintenance. It was under Dadaji's watchful eye that Shivaji first asserted independence, overseeing local affairs and forging bonds with the Marwals, those valiant hill dwellers whose loyalty proved invaluable. The political maelstrom of the era, clashes between Bijapur and the Mughals, the decline of Ahmednagar, served as Shivaji's unintended academy. Witnessing the Sultan's intrigues and the common people's suffering, he vowed at Rairashwar to liberate Maharashtra. This oath, taken amid sacred flames, marked the genesis of his guerrilla campaigns, where forts like Torna became symbols of emerging power. Shivaji's early life was a crucible of preparation. Adventures in the wilds, honing his resilience, Jijabai's lessons, instilling moral fortitude, and Shahaji's legacy providing strategic acumen. From these roots sprang a king whose innovations in warfare and governance would echo through centuries, a testament to how destiny weaves the ordinary into the extraordinary. What an incredible beginning to a legendary tale. Stay tuned for more on this magnificent saga. Jai Shivaji!